Students, today we will take up a few problems of higher order based upon the nature of the roots, particularly when the roots are equal. I think you know that if the roots of a quadratic equation are equal, then what is the condition? B squared minus 4ac, that is the discriminant, should be equal to 0. Based upon that one, we'll just do a higher order problems today. To start with, we'll just take up the first problem. Write down the problem correctly. If the roots of the equation, p plus 1 into m squared, plus 2 times p plus 3 into x, plus 2 times p plus 3 into x, plus of ನೋಡಿ bracket ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, plus of p plus 8 equals 0. I read the problem again. P plus 1 into m squared plus 2 times p plus 3 into x plus of p plus 8 equals 0. This is the quadratic equation where the variable is m. You must know the point. ಇದೊಂದು ಬರೀ x ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, x ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು. It should be a second degree equation, that's all. Here second degree is of course here m square. Don't worry about it. So first of all, you write the problem again. You have already written the problem. Write the problem again. P plus 1 into m squared. Write it neatly. Plus 2 times p plus 3 into x plus of p plus 8 equals 0. Please see that? I have written the problem. You also write the problem correctly. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ. Analyze the values. Here a equals p plus 1. Correct ನೋಡಿ? m squared ಇದೆ. m squared coefficient a. So a equals p plus 1. What is the value of b? b equals 2 times p plus 3. Because 2 into p plus 3 into x ಇದೆ. Yeah, what is the coefficient of x? 2 times p plus 3. Then, what is the value of c? c equals p plus 8. ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. A, B and C I have written. Then, what is the given condition? Given condition is the roots are equal. So, write down. Given that. ಬರೀಬೇಕದನ್ನ. Given that. Clear ಬರೀರಿ. Given that the roots are equal. The roots are equal. Given that the roots are equal. Clear ಬರೀರಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Given that the roots are equal. Therefore, what is the condition? If the roots are equal, b squared minus 4ac must be equal to 0. Write it neatly. b squared minus 4ac equals 0. What is the next step? I have to substitute for a, b and c there. Now b squared, what is the coefficient of, or what is the value of b there? The value of b is 2 times p plus 3 there. So ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. b squared ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು. 2 times p plus 3, 2 times p plus 3 the whole square ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬರೀ 2 ಇಂಟು ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಆ 2 ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 2 will not be included. When you write it, you must be very careful. 2, you must include 2 also under the square. Therefore 2 times p plus 3 the whole square, that is b square, minus 4ac, minus 4 into what is the value of a? p plus 1 into, what is the value of c? p plus 8. That is equal to 0. See that? I have substituted for a and c. That is minus 4 into, what is the value of a? A is p plus 1. And what is the value of c? P plus 8. Minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then simplify further. This is very important. 2 times p plus 3 the whole square is 1 the whole square. 2 times p plus 3 the whole square is 2 times p plus 3 the whole square na square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 times p plus 3 the whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is very important. 2 ನ square ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. When I square that one I get 4. 4 into p plus 3 the whole square. And then minus 4 times, write it as it is, p plus 1 into p plus 8 equals 0. Please see that? Minus 4 times p plus 1 into p plus 8 as it is equal to 0. What is the common factor that you find there? 4 is the common factor. Take it out. Means remove it. 4 na cancel madbidi. That means I have removed the common factor 4. And write the remaining things. What is the remaining thing there? P plus 3 the whole square minus of p plus 1 into p plus 8 equals 0. P plus 3 the whole square minus of p plus 1 into p plus 8 equals 0 ಆಯಿತು. Then simplify further. What is p plus 3 the whole square? It is a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. P plus 3 the whole square means it is p square plus 6p plus 3 square is 9. P square plus 6x plus 9 is the expansion of p plus 3 the whole square. This is very important. Minus ಇದ್ದರೆ bracket open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus of. What is p plus 1 into p plus 8? You have to multiply. First with p and then with 1. p ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ p plus 8 ನ. p into p plus 8 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? p into p is p square plus p into 8 ಅಂದರೆ 8p. So p ಇಂದ p plus 8 ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Then 1 ಇಂದ p plus 8 ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When I multiply p plus 8 by 1, it remains the same. Plus p plus 8 equals 0. Please understand. I have multiplied p plus 1 with p plus 8. Then simplify it further. P square plus 6p plus 9 as it is ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Minus of ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. You multiply everything by minus. When you multiply by minus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Plus p square will become minus p square. Plus 8p will become minus 8p. Minus p minus 8 equals 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ simplify ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. Okay. Alright, now I shall simplify. P square plus 6p plus 9 minus p square minus 9p minus 8 equals 0. Minus 9p ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು? Minus 8p minus p. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Minus 9p ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 8 equals 0. Now once again one plus p square ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus p square ಇದೆ. They get cancelled. P square gets cancelled with minus p square. Remove that one. And then write it. What is 6p minus 9p? 6p minus 9p means it is minus 3p. Then plus 9 minus 8. Plus 9 minus 8 means plus 1 equals 0. Then minus 3p plus 1 equals 0. Transfer 1 to that side. Minus 3p is equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled on both sides. Everybody minus it, they can cancel it. 3p equals 1. Therefore, what is the value of p? P is equal to 1 by 3. Please understand. I got the value of p as 1 by 3. ಇದನ್ನು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ತಪ್ಪೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು -8 + 8p + 1p ನ 9p ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಯಿತು. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. I remove it and then have simplified. Okay, this is the method that I have to adopt. Then I shall take up the next problem. ಇದೇ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ. You will be able to see much better. You will feel quite comfortable when I just do like that. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ chill higher. Now write the problem correctly. 3p plus 1 into x squared. 3p ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 3p plus 1 into x squared plus 2 times p plus 1 into x plus 2 times p plus 1 into x plus p equals 0. Again I read the equation. 3p plus 1 into x squared plus 2 times p plus 1 into x plus p equals 0 has equal roots. This equation has equal roots. Find the value of p. Same thing there. So what is the first step? You have to write down the equation as it is. Barkoli. First equation correct bariri. 3p plus 1 into x squared. Nidanak bariri. Plus 2 times p plus 1 into x plus p equals 0. ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ I have written the equation. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ equation ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. What is the next step? You have to analyze the values of a, b and c. What is the value of a here? Write down. Here a equals 3p plus 1. ಅದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಬಂದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. b equals again it is 2 times p plus 1. x ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ coefficient. 2 times p plus 1. Then what is the value of c? c is equal to p. I have analyzed the values of a, b and c according to that equation. What is the next thing? What is given condition? Given that the roots are equal. Write down. Given that. ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೋಮಾರ್ತನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. Given that the roots are ನಾನು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ are equal. Given that the roots are equal, then what exactly you have to do? What is the condition? If the roots are equal, therefore ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ therefore b square minus 4ac equals 0. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Therefore b square minus 4ac equals 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ substitute for a, b and c in that one. What is b? The value of b is 2 times p plus 1. So b square means 2 times p plus 1 the whole squared. Nodi b square badlu 2 times p plus 1 the whole squared minus 4ac. Minus 4 into a value nodi eshtiದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3p plus 1 into p equals 0. c badlu p. Correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 2 times p plus 1 the whole square minus 4 times 3p plus 1 into p equals 0 ಇದೆ. I hope you understood. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು what is 2 into p plus 1 the whole square ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 2 times p plus 1 the whole square ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು 2 ನು ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into p plus 1 the whole square ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾನು 2 times p plus 1 the whole square ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What is 2 into p plus 1 the whole square? 4 times p plus 1 the whole square. Why? 2 square is 4. Therefore 2 into p plus 1 the whole square and 1 there. 4 into p plus 1 the whole square. Minus 4p. I will write, nodi, p is here. That p I am writing it first. 4p into 3p plus 1. It doesn't make any difference. 4 into 3p plus 1 into p. It was there. Now I am writing it as 4p into 3p plus 1 equals 0. Instead of writing p that way, first of all I shall write p here. So that I can easily multiply. Then 4 times. Now alright, what is the common factor you find here? The common factor that you find is 4. First of all cancel it. So 4 gets cancelled. What is the thing that is left behind? P plus 1 the whole square. Bariri. Minus p times 3p plus 1 equals 0. See now, p plus 1 the whole square minus p into 3p plus 1 equals 0. 4 is the common factor which I have removed. Next, simplify further. What is p plus 1 the whole square? P squared plus 2p plus 1 is the expansion of p plus 1 the whole square. In the next instance, remove the bracket, that's all. Multiply that one by minus p. Minus p into 3p is minus 3p squared. Minus p into plus 1 is minus p equals 0. You are also working the problem along with me. Minus p in the multiply martini. 3p plus 1 is I remove the bracket. What do I get here? Minus 3p squared minus p equals 0. Simplify further. P squared minus 3p squared there. See that? It becomes minus 2p squared. Then, notice, p squared minus 3p squared is minus 2p squared. Plus 2p minus p is plus p. Then plus 1 equals 0. See now, minus 2p squared plus p plus 1 equals 0. So I don't want, I was bring it to standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Where a value 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ minus ಬರಬಾರದು. So transfer the entire thing to the right hand side. ಎಲ್ಲ terms on the right hand side ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2p square minus 2p square will become 2p square. Plus p will become minus p. Plus 1 will become minus 1 equals 0. See now, 2p square minus p minus 1 equals 0. You must be very careful. I am transferring all the terms to right hand side. Where minus 2p square will become plus 2p square. Why is it I have transferred? In order to make it a positive term. So plus 2p square. And then plus p will become what? Minus p. Then plus 1 will become minus 1. That is equal to 0. And then once again the last term is minus. Therefore the factors must be 1 is plus and there is minus. So multiply 2 into minus 1. What is 2 into minus 1? Minus 2. Minus 2 na split ಮಾಡಿ 2 into minus 1 ಅದನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ of course ಅದನ್ನು split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು factors ಆಗಿ. So ಮಧ್ಯ minus 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 because in the middle I got minus p means minus 1p. And now minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2 is alright. Then write this one 2p square. And minus p I am writing it as minus 2p plus 1p bariyala plus p minus 1 equals 0. I don't write plus 1p, simply I write p. When I write plus p, it means plus 1p. So 2p square minus 2p plus p minus 1 equals 0. Group them and factorize. Group them. Notice, when I group them, I underline. So that I can find the common factor. What is the common factor in the first one? 2p is the common factor. Take it out. 2p into p minus 1 plus, there is no common factor, plus p minus 1. That means you have to take out 1 as a common factor. Take out plus 1 into p minus 1 equals 0. See now, 2p into p minus 1 plus 1 into p minus 1 equals 0. Again, what is the common factor? P minus 1. Take it out. P minus 1 into 2p plus 1 equals 0. Rest of the thing, same thing there, which you have done already in the past. P minus 1 and 2p plus 1 equals 0. Equate each factor equal to 0. P minus, that means what? P minus 1 equals 0. Or 2p plus 1 equals 0. Now I am getting two values for p here. So what do you mean by p minus 1 equals 0? P equals 1. That is the first value of p. P minus 1 equals 0. P equals 1. Again 2p plus 1 equals 0. That means 2p equals minus 1. It means p equals minus half. Therefore, they are the two roots of, not the two roots, they are actually the values of p. What are the two values of p? One is 1 and another is half. Minus half or minus half. 1 and minus half are the two values of p here. I hope you understood. So such problems idu 4 marks question. This is 4 marks questions. Lot of simplification is required. And the next one, I just take up the third problem. Now I would like to take up problem. In this one, write down the equation correctly. K plus 1 into x square. Correct? K plus 1 into x square minus 2 times k minus 1 into x minus 2 times k minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 0. Again, k plus 1 into x square minus 2 times k minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 0 has equal roots. Find the value of, here not p, I have to find the value of k. It is a quadratic in x only. So what is the first thing there? Write down the equation. Be fast. K plus 1 into x square. Write it as it is. K plus 1 into x square minus 2 times k minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 0. I have written the equation as it is. Then analyze the problem. Here a equals k plus 1. Put them in the brackets. B equals, must be careful, minus 2 times k minus 1. Nodi, must be very careful. Minus 2 times k minus 1 to x. So the value of B is minus 2 times k minus 1. What is the value of C? C is equal to 1. So I have analyzed this one. Then what is given condition? Given. What is given? Given that the roots are equal. Given that the roots are equal. Please write it. Given that the roots are equal. Therefore, what should be the condition? B square minus 4ac equals 0. B square minus 4ac equals 0. Substitute for A, B and C. What is the B? Write down correctly. Minus 2 times k minus 1 the whole square. Please see that minus is also included under the bracket. Please note down correctly. Minus 2 times what? K minus 1 the whole square. Minus 4ac. Minus 4 times. What is the value of A? K plus 1. Into. What is the value of C? It is 1. That is equal to 0. Minus 4 times k plus 1 into 1. That is equal to 0. Simplified further. What is minus 2 the whole square? It is plus 4. So 4 times k minus 1 the whole square. Or k plus 1, k plus 1. Not minus 1. It is k plus 1 you have to write. 4 times k plus 1 the whole square. Minus 4 times k plus 1. Not k plus 1, it is k minus 1. Correct ಮಾಡಿ. Value of B is k minus 1. Correct ಆಗಿ k minus 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. So 4 times k minus 1 the whole square ಹಾಕಿ. Minus 4 times k plus 1. Correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Equals 0. Once again, don't get confused. Minus 2 times k plus 1 the whole square ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 4 times k minus 1 equals 0 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ what is minus 2 the whole square? 4 times k minus 1 the whole square minus 4 times k plus 1 equals 0. 4 is the common factor. Take it out. What do you get? K plus 1 the whole square. Correct ಬರೀರಿ. Minus 4 equals 0. What is the common factor? 4 is the common factor. Take it out. You get k plus 1 the whole square minus 1 equals 0. See now? K plus 1 the whole square minus 1 equals 0. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. K plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. K plus 1 the whole square equals 1. Take out the square root. K plus 1 is now equal to plus or minus square root of 1. See that? K plus 1 the whole square is 1 means K plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. It means what? K plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. The square root of 1. Plus or minus square root of 1 ittu. So what is the square root of plus or minus 1? Plus or minus square root of 1 andre 1. ಒಂದೊಂದನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. K, what does it mean? K plus 1 equals plus 1. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು K plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Separate ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0, ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ -1 -1, ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್? -2. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೂ ರೂಟ್ಸ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಹಿಯರ್? One is k equals 0, another k is equal to how much? -2. So I could just do only 3 problems today. Tomorrow I'll continue with this one. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. -2 times k plus 1 the whole square -4 into k minus 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಥವಾ 4 times k minus 1 the whole square -4 times k plus 1 equals 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That means k plus 1 the whole 4 times k plus 1 the whole square is -4 equals 0. I have taken out 4 common factor. k plus 1 the whole square -1 equals 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. k plus 1 is equal to 1 ಆಯಿತು. k plus 1 equals square root of 1, that is plus or minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. k plus 1 equals plus or minus 1, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು 1 ಅನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. k plus 1 equals plus 1, k plus 1 equals -1, ಆ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ k equals 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, k equals -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So they are the two values of k. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll continue with a few more problems. Good evening to all of you.